Let's discuss variable rate application. Another benefit and feature of EasyBoom and other Trimble flow and application products is variable rate application. There's confusion over variable rate because it is called many different things. VRT, which stands for Variable Rate Technology. VRC, which stands for Variable Rate Control. And VRA, which stands for Variable Rate Application. VRA is the term that Trimble uses to describe variable rate. So what exactly is variable rate and what does it do? Variable rate means applying multiple rates of crop inputs by utilizing GPS, a predetermined prescription map, and a variable rate controller across a field in a single or multiple pass. Simply put, variable rate is applying the right thing in the right amount in the right place at the right time. Variable rate makes economic sense. It is using the optimum use of resources to achieve the maximum benefit. Variable rate also makes agronomic sense. It is using the optimum use of resources to achieve the maximum benefit. It's about using the right amount of fertilizer and the right amount of seed for the soil and time of year. Variable rate works because of the law of diminishing returns. The law of diminishing returns shows that after a certain point, a yield rate fails to increase proportionately to the additional outlays of capital or investments of time and labor. In other words, it's all about efficiency. Variable rate keeps farmers from putting on too much or too little. As I said earlier, it's applying the right thing in the right amount, in the right place, at the right time. These field applications include pre-planting, such as dry fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, anhydrous ammonia, lime, pesticides, and fungicide. Variable rate also brings huge benefits for planting seeds, starter fertilizer, liquid or dry, and insecticides. Trimble's VRA solutions also benefit post-planting when used with side dressing nutrients and pesticides and fungicides. This is all made possible with the use of prescriptions. These prescriptions are composed of data that is assembled from soil samples and/or soil types and past yield information. All of this data is gathered, graphed, and put into a format that can be imported via a shape file to use with Trimble's displays to optimize field applications. True Application Control. True Application is the name for Trimble's partnership with Dickie John to deliver farmers the best in-class precision farming solutions for flow and application control. The combination of Trimble's guidance experience with Dickie John's flow and application background work together in a powerful package. This combination provides unprecedented automatic section control, multiple channel control, variable rate capabilities with prescriptions, information management, and a high-level vehicle and implement guidance. It's important to understand the differences and capabilities of True Application when compared to EasyBoom. Though EasyBoom was limited to a single product, variable rate application, and 10 sections, True Application is designed to handle up to 4 product variable rate applications, 24 section control, as well as seed monitoring. True Application can be configured for planting, liquid spraying, granular spreading, applying anhydrous, drilling, and air seeding. All of this technology is integrated and controlled through the AgGPS FMX display. This dramatically cleans up the cab and eliminates the clutter of other controllers and monitors that would be needed to handle all of these functions independently. The first set of components that make True Application so powerful is the ability to use specific sensors to give the operator crucial feedback and tie back into the guidance system. Let's take a closer look at these sensors. The application rate sensor measures shaft rotation speed on the planter. This information tells the operator the amount of seed that is being put into the ground. The unit sends 360 pulses per revolution to provide high accuracy and is shown on the guidance display in the cab. Another type of sensor is a flow meter. A flow meter is used to measure the rate and amount of liquid that is being sprayed in the unit of gallons per minute. The data that it gathers is sent to the display for the operator to monitor, manually adjust, or be controlled variably by the True Application system. Flow meters come in various sizes and rate capabilities depending on the application. True Application incorporates pressure sensors into the system. A pressure sensor does exactly what its name says. It measures pressure of gases or liquids in the application system. It is important to monitor that these pressures are within a controlled range and do not get too high or too low. Another important sensor for True Application is seeding sensors. These sensors monitor seed from the planter that is going into the ground. And there are two types of seed sensors: population and blockage. A population seed sensor counts the seeds or the rate at which the seeds are being planted. The blockage seed sensor simply detects if seeds are flowing or not. Both of these sensors provide feedback in the flow and application system. A radar ground speed sensor is also an optional component. This sensor measures the speed of the vehicle on the display and can be useful in areas with poor GPS reception, such as areas with trees. RPM sensors are also useful to inform the operator how many revolutions per minute a spreader or specific component is spinning. Sensors are used on the hoppers for flow and application control. A hopper sensor tells the True Application system if the hopper is full of product or needs to be refilled. A lift switch sensor is a sensor that detects if the implement is engaged or disengaged in the system. As you can see, a variety of sensors are used with the True Application system. Each one has a specific function and provides specific data that allows the flow and application system to maximize efficiency and productivity. The second set of critical components for the True Application system is control valves. These valves make it possible to control and adjust the specific operations that are going on when planting, spraying, or spreading. Hydraulic PWM control valves are used to control various aspects of the True Application system. These valves fully or partially open or close in response to the signals received from the application system. This opening and closing gives critical adjustments to the components in the flow and application system. The other type of valve used with True Application is a liquid servo control valve. A liquid servo control valve receives control commands from the guidance system through pulses of electric current. The control valve opens or closes to increase or decrease the flow of liquid through it. These valves come in various size diameters according to the specific spraying application that is being used. Both hydraulic PWM control valves and liquid servo control valves play an important role in the True Application system. Their ability to instantaneously control and regulate flow is what allows the system to deliver the correct amount of fertilizer, spray, or seed for a given application.